Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. We're back here today to check out some more music with T-Music Bot, and this bot offers you all the things for no premium and no subscription needed. I don't know if that necessarily means that everything is 100% free, or if some of it doesn't require you to vote on some website like top.gg, but they have a support server, so we're going to check them out here today. So the way that you get one of these apps is you go to the app directory in your Discord server settings, and let's see if we can look up T-Music. So here's T-Music. It's in 1.7 thousand servers, and you can pop that open. And to my knowledge, it appears to play music from SoundCloud, from maybe Spotify, and it also looks like it plays music still from YouTube, which, like I keep telling people, that is going to eventually get you in trouble. You should probably get rid of that functionality sooner rather than later. So with that in mind, I'm going to jump into a voice channel and we'll see what all it can do. So it has an actual help command, which is nice. And it's got some basic info commands: bot info, clusters, help, ping, privacy, top songs being listened to, top users. What does top songs do? And then the other stuff is it's got your basic music controls. You can play music, you can pause, you can check your queue, you can have it rejoin the channel, you can have it shuffle your queue, all that good stuff. It's also got the standard filters, and then it's got a bug report. You can invite it to your server from someone else's server, and it'll also give you a link to the support Discord. So the most played tracks are something that sounds mildly Russian, Fingers in His Butt, Sex Whales, Rick Astley, some more Russian stuff, Unknown Title, German Soldier, more Russian. I guess this is a very popular Russian song. And then NCS's Antidote, Turn It Up, is at number 10. So there you go. I like how there's literally a Fingers in the Butt 1 hour version that is currently being listened to so many times, 100 sometimes, that it's in the top listing here. So well done, whoever got that there. So let's just start by playing some music / play, and I'll do Alan Walker Dreamer. And it looks like when it plays these songs... Ooh, that's very loud. Let me turn you down. It looks like when it does play these songs, this one looked like it was being played from SoundCloud right now, so that's where it's defaulting to, at least outwardly, as far as I can tell. But I do know for a fact, if I grab the link over here, that it will also play music from YouTube, which is not good. Because YouTube obviously has been suing people for doing that, so maybe focus on removing that functionality. But you can go through, and you can check out a bunch of other songs. We can also add in Born's Bonfire. And then we'll also look for Pleague Home. And then let's play Born out of here. And then what else sounds good? We can do Guy Arthur Runaway. And then we can skip to the next song. So I know it cues the songs, but let's see if it's actually playing that song from YouTube. Yeah, so it is playing Sketches Don't Understand from YouTube. So that could potentially get them in trouble. What about the other ones that I added to the queue? Okay. And these other ones are being played off of SoundCloud, it looks like. Yeah, so it looks like it defaults to SoundCloud primarily. It may not actually support Spotify. I'm really not sure. Does it say here what it plays from? No, it doesn't. Let's just pause the music. Or at least try to pause the music. Okay. Looks like it doesn't actually have a good pause feature right now. That does appear to be one of the commands that is available. Pause and resume, but I can't really use resume without the pause feature, so that's unfortunate. But it's got your standard play settings, and the audio sounds pretty good, and it's a reasonably responsive time to play the music, so that's all really good. What does bot info tell us? Bot info just kind of gives us uptime. It's been up for an hour and 43 minutes since it was last restarted, or maybe since it last crashed. Let's look at clusters. Some of this information, aside from like being able to ping the bot, I never thought was particularly useful to most users. And I'm fairly certain that most bots are actually just using an API, probably discord.py, to just activate music bot functionality, which is probably why a lot of them still have YouTube support, because that probably has it by default. So, you know, if you're the guy who made Discord PY or whatever API people pull these from, maybe just remove that from your repositories so people stop getting in trouble. But yeah, that's basically it. We can test out if any of these filters work without voting for it, though. So let's play Alan Walker Dreamer, and then let's open up the help command again. So we've got, like, karaoke and nightcore as a filter. What does bass boosting do? Slash bass boost. Let's do high bass boost. Okay, so that one didn't work. Let's try bass boost. Let's do a low bass boost. Okay, that one doesn't work. So let's try nightcore. Alright, it appears that the filters do not function, so that's good to know. That may never have functioned, but personally, I don't really use these filters or care too much. So the fact that it doesn't work isn't really an issue for me personally. But yeah, that's it. Like, T-Music, it plays music, and that's it. You don't have to pay for it. It's responsive. It's got some filters that may or may not work in the future. You can get some information about the bot's usage by seeing what the top songs are on the top users. You can invite it to your server, all that good stuff, and you can do a bug report. So, check it out for yourselves. It's just available in the Discord app directory. It's called T-Music. The logo is a gray T on a blue background with a pair of headphones. So yeah, it's alright. It's kind of buggy, but I mean, half the features on Discord are buggy at any given time. So check it out. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.